fancy that we have one broken.
Yep. Looks like we could be waking them off with the left one. It's all the way up on level 5. Oh, damn it, it's gone up.
Oh, this one's on 1.
Yeah, but it's broken.
I will note that this is a KONE poster with the prime property logo just slapped on top of it.
Yeah. Alright. Here we are.
So we're not the most sure who originally
made them.
Yeah.
But they've been
8. Oh, backwards buttons.
Right, yeah, that caught me by surprise. 16 personal, 900 kg, so these have evidently been modernised by Schindler, but we're just not sure who made them originally. The door tracks don't scream anything obvious.
Yeah. Actually pretty safe out here.
Yeah, I was going to say, there's a reception desk, we'd have to use the wrong floor card. Just go back to ground now. Huh, instant door close, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Not very light in here, I must admit.
Yeah.
You could look at the blue D8 fixtures. Oh. That's it.